Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. And before of this class, we had seen basic concepts of AWS, and we had seen about the regions, availability zones, edge locations, what is what, everything we had covered on the earlier class. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about the creation of AWS account. So I will let you know. Uh, and in AWS, we have the free tier eligibility. So for getting, if I create my account under the free tier eligibility, what the things I will be able to access, at the same time what are the resources which will be able to access under the free tier eligible. Mostly if I use any resources in AWS, that will be chargeable. So for first time means uh, whenever I had created in AWS under the free tier account, so there is certain limitations are there, so there is certain hours. So in those hours I will use those resources in a free tier basis. Generally, this is used for the learning purpose only, and majority of the organizations will never ever go for the free tier eligibility, because of they are using the resources in a huge way. They are not dependent on the free tier, that will be very limited access. So let us, for training and learning purpose, I am going to use a free tier account. So I will show to you what are the benefits we are getting once we had created the what free tier account. I am going to opening, just type AWS Amazon free. So this is the place where we are getting the information about what are the things which I am getting under the free trial eligibility. Here we have the three things: free trials, 12 months free, always free. So if I get the free trials, this is the things, free trials. Suppose if I click the compute, this is the free trial category, Amazon light sales, like that. I am going to check. Okay, first of all I want to check compute capacity. So Amazon EC2 750 hours. What is this 750 hours per month of Linux? RHL stands for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, T2 Micro, this is the mission type. T3 Micro instance depend on the region. These instance types only free for free tier eligible, not all the instances. We have different types of instances models available in the EC2 model. I will let you know what is EC2 once we log in into the main classes. Just for simply for our sake of convenience, just for understanding, what are the services? Suppose if you take the EC2 services, means compute services, we are getting the 750 hours per month. In the similar way, database, we have get Amazon RDS 750 hours, Amazon DynamoDB 25 GB. These are the limitations. So whatever the you are looking for, use those services. Just please check whether it will be fall under free tier or not. If it is not fall under the free tier eligibility, then you will be charged for those services which you had used. So make sure, I will let you know the basic thing while you are doing any labs in the cloud. So make sure you need to take some time, and once you done your lab in the cloud, don't forget to remove all those services which you had created. If you forget the services which you have created, then you will be chargeable for those services. If you didn't has deleted, suppose you had created some services but you forget to delete those services for 1 month, then you will be chargeable. So those charges will be huge amount, so you will not be able to bear. So that's why I always recommend you, while doing any lab, just make sure you will be free yourself. And once you've done the lab, delete all the resources which you had created. Make sure, then only you can leave the lab. Okay, just please remember these points. And right now I'm going to show how to create the free tier account. So instead of doing actually I had already created account in the AWS, but instead of creating another AWS account, I will do one thing. What are the prerequisites for creating the free tier account? So you need one email ID, and you need to enter your basic details, your phone number, and you need one credit card, master credit card. So if you have all those things, you can proceed for the further things. Okay, I will show to you. I'm a AWS account creation step by step. So in this, I will show what to you how it will be. Okay, once you it's as simple as it is. How you are creating the Gmail account, in the similar way only you are going to create your AWS account. Okay, root here two things are there: root user email ID, at the same time I am user. Root user is the person who had created the account, who he had all the rights. He can terminate the account as well. Okay, root user is the main user. You can blindly remember that like that. Root user is the main user. He can do anything, whatever he want. Okay, just if you if you create the AWS sign, just I'm clicking here. So how it will be redirected? In the similar way, AWS account. You need to enter your email ID and you need to enter your account name. Okay, once you had done that, just click on verify your email address. Then one email verification will be sent to your mobile. Then just check your email ID. Then you will get the code. Just enter the same code and it will ask you to enter your password, means to set your password. You need to set your password. Then click on continue. It will ask you what is the purpose for creating this account. Then you need to answer for business or for personal. And this is not actually we are all going to learn. So for that purpose we are not going to select business. Just click on personal and enter your full name and enter your mobile number details and enter country region India and mention your address and postal code. Then by clicking the check mark here, just click on continue. Then the next step is you need to enter the credit card or debit card details, but it is internationally on, means roaming is on. Suppose online is, if it is online activities is disabled on your credit card or debit card, then it won't accept. Make sure those things will be in on state only. International transaction is enabled, online transaction is enabled, then it will just debit $1 from your account. But don't worry about that. It will once they had just cross verify, are you the genuine person or not. Once they had checked everything, if you are the one, if you are the genuine, then it will automatically refund your $1 to your account only. They will not charge for anything. Just mention those things and click on continue. Then finally you will get a text message on your mobile. You just need to enter the same here and click on continue. And here you need to select the basic support free. Different types of plans or packages are available here. So out of those you need to select free because of we are the learners here. Okay, just complete sign up. Then automatically you will be able, means your account has been created, then you will be able to log on. Okay, this is the process for log on into the mission.